Welcome back to another week of keto videos. My name is Sakina Marie, for those of you who do not know. Welcome back to week 3 on keto, you guys. I am super excited for this week. Stay tuned. Let's get started on breakfast. Today for my little snacky snack, I'm having celery and peanut butter and water, of course. So this morning I am having some bulletproof coffee. I went ahead and I am making my Folgers Colombian coffee. And I'm going to put in it a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. Tablespoon of butter, and I know this might look like a lot of butter, but it's a tablespoon. Yeah, and then I'm gonna also put in a tablespoon of MCT oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my stevia. I'm gonna use 3 packets. Let's see in here. Actually, I'm going to use 4 packets just because I only got 4 left. And this coffee is so good, you guys. You should definitely try it. You don't need like any creamer. Of course, if you want to add creamer or like coconut milk or almond milk, you definitely still can, but you honestly don't need it. These are the tofu shirataki noodles that I use for the stir fry. These I use half the bag, so this has 20 calories for the whole bag and then 6 grams of carbs for the whole bag. So just splitting it in half, and literally all you do, you guys, is super easy. You just, it's gonna have a foul fishy smell, so don't be freaked out. Just drain it and then boil it for about 3 minutes, and then you can cook it with the rest of your food. And it's tofu, so you know tofu holds a lot of water, so make sure you dry it out as you're cooking it.
What we do here is go back.
Today for breakfast, I am just having 2 hard-boiled eggs with some seasoning on them. I'm not really all that hungry, so I think I'm just gonna have this and then some coffee with some MCT oil. Don't look at the background, y'all. I just got back to Mini, so there's my suitcase right there. Happy Friday! Today for lunch we are having Chipotle. We're having Chipotle. This morning for breakfast I didn't eat anything because I had a doctor's appointment. I had some errands to run. So I just got coffee from Caribou. I just got coffee with a half shot of sugar-free vanilla and sugar-free caramel. And then today for lunch, I'm just having a salad from Chipotle, a chicken salad, got some sour cream, a little bit of sauce, some lettuce, and some peppers and cheese, and then I got some guac. I'm about to go ahead and eat this, and then I will see you guys for dinner. Oh my gosh, y'all, those noodles were fire. I am sold on these noodles. But you guys have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in thus far. This week was a little rough. I flew back home to Minnie, so I fell off the bandwagon just a little bit. But I'm not gonna let that discourage me. I'm gonna keep going, start fresh on Monday. So I will see you guys then. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys Monday. Bye.